The camera is the main source of excitement for Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series, which is anticipated to bring about some of the biggest upgrades in recent years. According to one of the most interesting theories, the primary lens may have a variable aperture, like the ones Xiaomi has employed in its most recent extreme versions and Samsung debuted with the Galaxy S9. This technology gives consumers more control over the depth of field by enabling the lens to automatically adapt to changing lighting conditions. Simply put, it would improve the separation of the subject and background in photographs, giving them a more polished appearance. Whether Apple will introduce this function in the iPhone 17 Pro or wait till the iPhone 18 lineup is still up in the air. Since Apple has increased the ultra-wide lens to 48MP with the iPhone 16, no significant modifications are anticipated. However, the telephoto lens may experience the most significant change to date, going from 12MP to 48MP. This would create a genuine triple-lens powerhouse by enabling all three of the iPhone's back cameras to be 48MP for the first time. Additionally, Apple might release a continuous optical zoom with several focus lengths. The iPhone would face more competition if this were to occur from phones like Xiaomi's 15 Ultra and Vivo's X200 Pro, which are both renowned for their zoom and portrait features. Apple is also in a good position to ultimately introduce 8K video recording, as all three cameras may eventually upgrade to 48MP. Apple is around 5 years behind Samsung, which introduced 8 Kelvin to its Galaxy S20 in 2020. Watching in 8 Kelvin isn't the only advantage, though. 8 Kelvin displays are not even owned by most individuals. It has to do with adaptability. It's interesting to note that a recent leak regarding 8 Kelvin was a misinterpretation, as the figure really referred to iPhone prices in Chinese yen. However, it now appears extremely likely that Apple will support 8K video. In addition, Apple may place an additional camera control button on the phone's upper edge. Many users have complained about the button's inconvenient placement, unintentional pushes, and blurry photographs, which has made it unpopular. Regarding battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is anticipated to have the biggest iPhone battery ever, with a capacity of approximately 5,000 mAh. Compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that is a 9 to 10% increase. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.